One day, Jesus Christ, Son of God and Son of Man, got the hiccups. His fingertips turned squishy after being underwater. He got goosebumps. Did he lie in bed, waiting and waiting for sleep to come? When it did he dream of flying or falling? Was he still tired when he woke up? Jesus did not sin, but he felt it. His umbilical cord was cut. He was hungry and thirsty. His bug bites itched. His voice cracked. Dirt stuck to his calluses. His muscles ached and his skin bruised. His eyes leaked with grief and his heart sped up with anger. Dare I say it? Jesus, the Almighty, got sick. He knew sore throats and feverish sweats. He surely bled. His spirit was invincible, but his body was not. He was the Son of Man. He felt what you feel, your pain, all of it. That bolt of electricity screaming through your nerves and up your spine. Blood vessels bursting and skin burning in the sun. Your exhaustion, your collapse. This is a man who knows. A man who has lived within his creation as his creation. He let his body break for you. He invites you now to stop trying to put yourselves together again. Your humanness will not surprise him. Your brokenness will not scare him. So go ahead, Imago Dei, you people who in the image of God feel everything. Give him your cries. He can take it.